The nearly Picts of Lothian. Tenuous? Unlikely? Perhaps. When I see ethnic maps of the early Middle Ages in Scotland, I often see Lothian confidently painted out as Anglo-Saxon. In this brilliant book, The King in the North, on page 26, Nicholas Evans says, "Men and women of Alba and Scottie, apart from Lothian, which have never been Pictish." But what if there was another way to see it? I'm starting close to home. I'm off to Craiglockhart. Vitrification is a bit of a mystery. It's a process where through intense heat the stones of a stone wall are fused together. Whether this is deliberate or by accident, we don't know. If it's deliberate, it's strange because it doesn't make the wall any stronger. An accidental vitrification seems unlikely because of the high temperatures required. Here, on the top of Craiglockhart, I love the spot. You can see so much. There's Berwick Law, Bass Rock, Arthur's Seat, the castle. Lovely. But what we have here is a vitrified fort. Now, it's been altered somewhat by World War II gun emplacement, which it kind of looks like, you know, the circular bit the gun would swing around. But I think it's originally was like this because it's a vitrified fort. Now, vitrified forts are usually associated with Pictish forts. And I think that while this area was never properly Pictish, it's not without Pictish significance. It's not without Pictish evidence. Not enough to make it Pictish, but enough to make it not entirely un-Pictish. It's a great natural spot for a hill fort, giving excellent connective vistas of southern Pictland. It's in the style of a hilltop and rampart fort, consistent with the re-emergence in the first millennium AD of these fortifications across Pictland, and it has vitrification. Now, strictly speaking, vitrification is Iron Age and predates the Pictish era. However, examples like Tapo North in Aberdeenshire are firmly placed in what would become a Pictish landscape. Join me for episode 2 out of 4, where we look at more Pict-flavoured evidence in Lothian from nearby Castle Law.